Investors' sentiment decreased to 1.14 in 2017 Q2. It's down 0.61 from 1.75 in 2017 Q1. It turned negative as 23 investors sold Ultra Clean Holdings Incorporated shares, while 40 reduced holdings. 34 funds opened positions, while 38 raised stakes. 25.69 million shares, or 3.31% less from 26.57 million shares in 2017 Q1 were reported. California State Teachers Retirement owns 58,305 shares, or 0% of their U.S. portfolio. 83,483 are owned by Acadian Asset Mgmt Llc. Teton Advsr invested in 157,000 shares, or 0.29% of the stock. Wellington GRP Limited Liability Partnership reported 122,228 shares. The New York-based Blackrock Incorporated has invested 0% in Ultra Clean Holdings Incorporated, NASDAQ UCTT. Gotham Asset Mngmt Limited Liability Company accumulated 82,685 shares. Goldman Sachs Gru Incorporated has invested 0% in Ultra Clean Holdings Incorporated, NASDAQ UCTT. Advisory Svcs Networks Llc reported 400 shares. Moreover, Peak6 Leaders P has 0% invested in Ultra Clean Holdings Incorporated, NASDAQ UCTT. 3,400 were accumulated by Great-West Life Assurance Company Can. Bancorporation of Montreal Can owns 442,400 shares for 0.01% of their portfolio. Citadel Advsrs Limited reported 0% of its portfolio in Ultra Clean Holdings Incorporated, NASDAQ UCTT. Fuller and Thaler Asset Management Incorporated owns 535,800 shares. Morgan Stanley stated it has 0% in Ultra Clean Holdings Incorporated, NASDAQ UCTT. Ameritas Investment Ptnrs stated it has 2,708 shares. Since May 2, 2017, it had 0 buys and 8 selling transactions for $2.56 million activity. Shearer Barbara Vaughn also sold $138,305 worth of Ultra Clean Holdings Incorporated, NASDAQ UCTT, shares. The insider Mngmt Leonid sold $474,011. Dercole Ronald also sold $421,792 worth of Ultra Clean Holdings Incorporated, NASDAQ UCTT, on Wednesday, May 31. $857,677 worth of stock was sold by Mngmt on Monday, June 5. Analysts await Ultra Clean Holdings Incorporated, NASDAQ UCTT, to report earnings on October 25. They expect 64 cents earnings per share, up 276.47%, or 47 cents from last year's 17 cents per share. UCTT's profit will be $21.50 million for 13.02 PE if the 64 cents EPS becomes a reality. After 62 cents actual earnings per share reported by Ultra Clean Holdings Incorporated for the previous quarter, Wall Street now forecasts 3.23% EPS growth. The stock increased 1.00%, or 33 cents during the last trading session, reaching $33.34. About 951,033 shares traded. Ultra Clean Holdings Incorporated, NASDAQ UCTT, has risen 320.86% since October 25, 2016 and is uptrending. It is outperformed by 304.16% the S&P 500. Ultra Clean Holdings Incorporated, NASDAQ UCTT, ratings coverage. Among 7 analysts covering Ultra Clean Holdings, NASDAQ UCTT, 4 have buy rating, 0 sell and 3 hold. Therefore 57% are positive. Ultra Clean Holdings had 19 analyst reports since July 24, 2015 according to Svcs Networks Llc. Needham maintained it with buy rating, an $18 target in Thursday, February 23 report. Craig-Hallum upgraded the shares of UCTT in report on Tuesday, January 12 to buy rating. Standpoint Research downgraded the stock to hold rating in Tuesday, November 15 report. Needham maintained Ultra Clean Holdings Incorporated, NASDAQ UCTT, on Tuesday, January 10 with buy rating. The firm has buy rating by Dougherty & Company given on Tuesday, October 25. As per Monday, September 18, the company rating was maintained by Needham. Craig-Hallum downgraded Ultra Clean Holdings Incorporated, NASDAQ UCTT, on Friday, October 23 to hold rating. Stifel Nicolaus downgraded the shares of UCTT in report on Friday, July 8 to hold rating. The firm has buy rating given on Thursday, July 23 by Dougherty & Company. Needham upgraded the stock to buy rating in Monday, April 18 report. Ultra Clean Holdings Incorporated is engaged in the design, engineering and manufacture of production tools, modules and subsystems the semiconductor capital equipment industry. The company has market cap of $1.12 billion. The company's products include precision robotic solutions, gas delivery systems, a range of industrial and automation production equipment products, subsystems that includes wafer cleaning subsystems, chemical delivery modules, top plate assemblies, frame assemblies, and process modules. It has a 24.02 PE ratio. The firm offers its products for the semiconductor capital equipment and equipment industry divisions.